Children, today we will discuss property of determinants. आज हम इसकी first property discuss कर रहे हैं. What is this property? If you are given A as this, it is determinant of a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. So what's written inside a determinant? 2, 1, 5, 6, 0, 2, 1, 5, 3. So there are 3 rows and 3 columns, and this is the determinant of a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. So what the property says? Property says if we find out determinant of A and we find out determinant of A dash, then both the values are equal. It means if we transpose the matrix, then its determinant and the previous determinant both are having same value. Let us find out, let us check whether this is correct or not. So to check this, I am finding out LHS, left hand side value. Okay, so I took this determinant of A, and now I am solving and I am finding out the value of this determinant. Now you know how to find out value of a determinant of order 3 cross 3. How to find out? I am expanding this determinant with respect to first row. I am opening this determinant with respect to first row. How will I expand? First entry, then its minor. Minor means you'll just leave this row and this column where the entry is existing. You are leaving this row and this column. So what's remaining now? Now this is remaining and this is coming inside minor. Now similarly, now this one entry, but this is of negative symbol. First entry with positive symbol, then second entry comes with negative symbol and it's minor. We just cross the row from 1 and the column from 1. So what's remaining then? 6, 2, 1 and 3 inside the minor. Now third entry 5, and again row and column from 5 get cancelled. So what's remaining there? 6, 0, 1 and 5. 6, 0, 1 and 5 inside a small determinant or minor determinant. Now I'm finding out value of this determinant. This 2 as it is. I'm solving this determinant of second order. First this product 0, then this product 10, this product 18, this product 2, this product 30, this product 0. Now on simplification, I'm getting answer as 114. Now let us move to right hand side. In right hand side, first of all, I have done transpose of matrix A. So the rows has been converted into column. This is transpose of A. Now similarly, I am expanding it with respect to first row. First entry and its minor, second entry, its minor, third entry and its minor. Now again I am solving this determinant and I am getting here, I am getting this, here I am getting this. Now on simplification again this is coming 114. So you see left hand side and right hand side both are coming equal, 114 and 114. It means our left hand side and right hand side equal. So it says that if we find out determinant of A and determinant of its transpose, then both the values are equal. So this is the main crux of this property. If of a square matrix determinant, you find out determinant and you find out determinant of its transpose, then both carry the same value. I hope this property is clear. Now later on we'll discuss next property.